This is the one and only. Here, try this again. This is the one and only Antonio 29 coming at you from live in the storm. We're a winter weather advisory until like tomorrow morning, I believe. And this is how bad it is. I'm gonna make this quick so I don't want to get too much moisture on the camera. Woo! This is how bad it is. See? Okay, I'm going back inside. I'll show you the radar when I get in. Jeez, it's cold. I was filming the storm. I'll leave that open. Hey, Pooh. Say hi to YouTube, Pooh. Pooh. Hey, say hi to YouTube.
I want to do the press buck in terms of the skin because I don't want a disaster.
Are we still birds?
Hello, Dad.
When I look down, I see the smells of treatment. It just looks so
Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad, go.
Okay, so
We need you.
that's not state of the art. We have a tattoo specialist who's going to make you nibble tattoos that look better than natural ones. So far, Anne-Marie has a good early post-op result. I have to make sure that she
Hey, Dad,
breast continues to take shape.
That's Pooh up close and personal. Hey, Pooh. Hi, Jen.
Yeah.
What's wrong?
Nothing.
You sure?
Yes.
Are you a pain in the ass?
No.
I think you are. Hi, Pooh.
My breast without the implant is shocking.
And there's that slacker.
Yeah.
Oh, slacker.
It's easy.
Someone actually enjoys my charm.
Now this was so good. I'm gonna have to come back tomorrow.
I'm right back inside. Let me dial up my phone. Get my phone right here.
How'd you pull that off?
And I'll show you the radar.
Someone came in who has good taste.
Put the camera up there so you can see me.
But I gotta whip up some more.
Eh.
Now I wait. I wait until he returns. I wait. I wait. I wait.
There's the radar if you can see it well enough.
8 hours later.
That's what you were just looking at outside.
Hello?
Yeah, it's bad, I know.
What? It's closing time.
And look who's here.
Too good to be true.
It's a Pooh.
Well, hello, Nat.
Hi, Pooh Pooh.
Yesterday.
You sure